Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good
I hope
morning,
all
sir.
can hear me. 28 members are joined. I would like to start from Piyush Das. Piyush Das, what we learn
Yes,
in the
sir.
previous period? What we learn in the previous period? Yes.
We learn in this period. Uh,
Yes.
we learn about professions and
Yes.
professions and
Okay, please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Thank you. Next chance goes to Komal Tomar. Komal Tomar, what do you remember? What we learn? What we discussed in the previous period? Komal Tomar, I'm asking you. Komal Tomar. Komal, I think your mic is not working. Prajakta Jagdale. Prajakta Jagdale, can you hear me? Prajakta Jagdale, can you hear me?
yes, sir.
Yes, what we learned in the previous period, do you remember anything?
No, sir, because I will go to my village.
Okay, I can't hear you, no problem. Shaurya Ugle,
Yes,
Shaurya
sir.
Ugle, what we learned in the previous period, do you remember anything else?
Yes, sir. We learned in the previous period about if there is a hot tea, we blow it, cold air, and then we drink. And if there is in winter season, we rub our both hands
Hmm.
and blow air.
Hmm.
And and I have learned uh, uh, about the stethoscope, about how to use it.
Okay, dear children, now I'm going to present here and we will try to conclude today these chapters and you just see. But before that, one work was assigned you on the very first day when I start this period, when I start this chapter. One work is assigned. समीक्षा क्या आप बता सकती है मैंने क्या काम दिया था आपको?
सर कि हमें इस लेसन में कि क्या करना था, मेड का किसी का इंटरव्यू लेना था, शायद मुझे ऐसा याद आ रहा है।
ओके, शायद याद आ रहा है। बहुत अच्छी बात कही है आपने, शायद आपको कुछ याद आता है और बाकी चीज़ें आप सब भूल जाती हो। वेरी गुड आंसर। यस, तो मैं अर्नव खंडियाल से पूछूंगा। अर्नव खंडियाल, ऑन वेरी फर्स्ट डे आई असाइन सम वर्क, डू यू रिमेम्बर व्हाट वर्क वाज असाइन?
Then first day of the chapter, you said to us like write 5 things which you want to be and write 5 things which you don't want to be.
Okay. Okay, now we will start. Let me repeat again the work which was assigned you on very first day. We are learning about the different professions. We have to be aware about the different professions and about these there are some, yes Aditi, I can see your work. Thank you. Aditi, yeah, I can see your work. I assign you the work. There are different professions. As we discussed in earlier period, we dream about different professions. Pranav Kollam, mute करो बेटा.
सर मेरा माइक म्यूट नहीं हो रहा।
आप लेफ्ट करके फिर से ज्वाइन करो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, होता है ऐसा.
ओके।
5 profession, 5 different job, 5 different work which you like to join, and you have to write about 1, 2, 3 sentences about it. what different jobs you like, what different professions you like. And you have to give the explanation why you like this. And the another work was 5 different jobs, 5 different professions, 5 different work which you don't like. Why you don't like? That reason you have to write down. So 5 work which you like and 5 work which you don't like. And the next one is about any one social reformer. You have to aware about any one social reformer. Because of him, because of her, our society is changed and we respect such personality. We discuss about Gandhiji, we discuss about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, but have you get any information, have you collected any information about a new person who is called as a social reformer, Samaj Sevak? Swatantra Senani is different, freedom fighter is different, and social reformer is different. Yeah, Arya Talape. So I request Arya Talape to present. Arya,
Yes, sir.
आपने 5 प्रोफेशन जो आपको पसंद है, प्लीज टेल मी अबाउट दैट 5 प्रोफेशन. You have to read. Arya Talape, please read what professions you like and what professions, what work you don't like. Please read. Check your camera first. Please don't show me, you have to read.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I want to like teacher, doctor, and collector, scientist, and
I request you, whatever you are saying, whether it is written in your notebook, why you want to become a teacher, have you written the reason for that? Why you want to become a doctor, have you written the reason for that? आपने इसका रीजन लिखा है नोटबुक में?
yes, sir.
हाँ, पढ़ के बताओ क्या लिखा है. नोटबुक हाथ में ले लो और उसमें पढ़ के बताओ.
Yes. Sir, I want to become a teacher because teacher teach students and teacher student like teachers because they are teach very nicely.
Okay, next one.
Doctor. Doctor check patients and help patients to recovery.
Okay, very good. Next.
What do you guys is working? Collector. Your guys is breaking. Collector because my mother tell me that you become a collector.
Okay. Okay, what are the work, what are the professions that you don't like to join? Please tell me any 2 which you already written in your notebook.
Yes, sir. Sir, I don't want to become a nurse and maid and
Dear Arya Talape, you are just simply speaking. If you have done this work in your notebook, hardly 2 minutes is quite enough to read all the things. Please show me your notebook, whether you have written this work. Please show me your notebook. This is about Dr. Ambedkar. This is about the social reformer. Yes. Okay. Okay, dignity of the labor. These are the question and answers. The 5 work which you like and 5 different profession which you don't like. That you show me. आपने कैमरा बंद कर दिया है बिना पूछे, आपसे मैं बात नहीं करूंगा अभी. सॉरी. मैं अभी बात करूंगा कार्तिक सत्तुरवार. कार्तिक सत्तुरवार, चेक योर कैमरा. Karthik Satturwar, check your camera.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, please, first of all, you show me your notebook. What work you have done in your notebook? I want to see this. I want to see the different work which you like. You read. Don't show me. You first read what you written. You read it.
This is the global question and answer.
No. The work which I assign you, 5 different profession which you like to join. Have you written these?
No, sir.
Why? Why? I started this class on Friday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. 5 days over. Still your work is not completed. Sanvi Magar. Those
Yes,
who
sir.
have done this work in their notebook, please reply in the chat box. Sir, I have done all this work as you said and I have completed in my notebook. Please reply in the chat box. Sanvi Magar, have you done my work? Sanvi Magar, have you done my work?
Sir.
Why? May I know the reason? Komal has done, Brahma has done. Aditi wrote here all these things, boxer, scientist, astronaut, prime minister and badminton that she want to join. Tanish Solanki also done. Sanvi, may I know the reason why you people are not doing this work? Repeatedly, this is the 3rd or 4th period I am asking this work again and again. Still you are not doing this work. Gaurav also done, Ishan also done. Ishan Hegde, check your camera and reply me what you mention in your notebook. Please read out. Ishan Hegde. Ishan Hegde, can you hear me? Partial work I don't like, Samiksha. Ishan Hegde, I am asking you, as you said you have done this, will you read it? Gaurav Godwinde, Gaurav, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please check your camera.
Yes, sir.
Please read out.
Yes, sir. I
Read loudly.
I like to become a cricketer because I like to play cricket.
Okay, very
Second,
good.
I like to become a doctor because doctor helps the patient.
Very good.
Third number, I like to become a car mechanic because
Hmm.
he repairs the car.
Hmm.
And fourth, I like to become a soldier
Hmm.
because soldier
Hmm.
saves his country.
Hmm. Very
And
good.
fifth,
Hmm.
I like to become
Hmm.
a driver because I think the car driving is
Hmm.
good.
Okay. And which profession work you don't like?
I don't like to become a cook because the, the cook
This is a 45 minutes period, and for one sentence you are taking 2 minutes time. Gaurav, read fast as you have written your
Yes,
own
sir.
handwriting.
I don't like to become a cook because cook have have to make so much food in less time.
Okay, very good. Next.
And second, I don't like to become a worker
Mhm.
as they have a danger to fall a brick on their.
Okay. They are working under danger conditions. Okay. Okay. What about the social reformer? Have you collected any information about the social reformer?
No, sir.
Then how you are saying that I have done all this work?
Sir, I can tell.
No, I don't want interruption in between. If you have any doubt, please mention in the chat box.
Okay, sir.
Stand le the mobile
Please,
stand.
there is no child who have done all the work together. Social reformer, please mention in the chat box. I will give you chance whether you have done this work, both the work. The profession, the work which you like, and the profession, the work which you don't like, and information about the social reformer. Sudiksha, have you done this? Ansh
No, sir.
Khedekar, Ansh Khedekar, have you done this work?
Maybe.
Ansh Khedekar, Tejas Kari, please mute yourself. Komal Toma, you have done this, but I can't hear you.
నాకు ఏ పని ఇష్టం వస్తుంది దాని గురించి సెంటెన్స్ చెప్పాలి
చెప్పు.
Komal, can you speak? Sir, I have done all this work, but you can't hear me. Okay, Komal, then what is the use of this? Okay, you can just WhatsApp me personally. I will see it.
Sir,
Yes, I can see. Yes, Samiksha.
Sir, now I have write about social reformer.
May I know the social reformer name?
Mahatma Gandhi.
महात्मा गांधी. अदर देन महात्मा गांधी एंड डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर, इन दोनों लोगों के बारे अलावा अदर देन दिस टू किसने लिखा है, ये मैं सुनना चाहूंगा. ये तो मैंने बताया था. अदर देन दिस टू किसने लिखा है? सानवी, हैव यू डन?
Sir, now again can I write about
As
Narendra
I requested very first day, other than Mahatma Gandhi and other than Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, you have to collect more information about the social reformer. Aditi Kumari, are you written other than these two? Aditi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, may I know the social reformer name?
Yes, sir. 1 minute. Sir, I have not written, but can I tell
No. You have to write first. You have to follow the rules. This work is given on Friday. See how much time you are wasting. Ansh Khedekar didn't reply me. किया का कोई आंसर नहीं आया. आरुषि का कोई आंसर नहीं आया मुझे. क्लास में बच्चे हैं, कोई आंसर देना नहीं चाहते. पीयूष दास ने किया काम. पीयूष दास.
नो सर.
और क्यों आते हो क्लास में फिर जब आप काम नहीं करते हो तो?
सर.
यस.
सर, कैन आई टेल अबाउट जवाहरलाल नेहरू?
नहीं, आपने लिखा है नोटबुक में.
सर, मैंने रफ बुक में लिखा है, मैं नोटबुक में लिखूंगा.
नोटबुक में कभी आज तक काम दिया है? आई ऑलवेज आस्क द वर्क टू कंप्लीट इन ईवीएस नोटबुक. ऐसा ही बोलता हूं मैं कि ईवीएस नोटबुक में ही काम करना है. एनी हाउ, नाउ इट्स ऑलरेडी 15 minutes wasted, and I request you all, you please complete this work before 5 p.m. आज सभी बच्चे ये काम 5 बजे से पहले कंप्लीट करेंगे और मैं इसके लिए विंडो बना देता हूं गूगल क्लासरूम में। और अभी ध्यान से सुन लीजिए, और मैं क्या बता रहा हूं ये पूछना भी है, ये आपको बताना भी है कि 5 बजे से पहले आप कोई भी 5 प्रोफेशन जो आदिति ने चैट बॉक्स में लिखा है, why she want to join that profession, why she want to do that work, and there are other profession which you don't like, you don't want to join, and you have to give the reason for that. Please write in your notebook. And the next one is any social reformer, not the politician, not the politician. कोई भी पॉलिटिशियन के बारे में नहीं लिखेगा, ना ही स्वतंत्रता सेनानी फ्रीडम फाइटर के बारे में भी नहीं लिखना है। सोशल रिफॉर्मर, हमारे सोसाइटी के लिए जिन्होंने अच्छे से काम किया है, यू हैव टू राइट अबाउट एनी सोशल रिफॉर्मर। फॉर दैट you can discuss with your parent, you can google it, but I thought सब चीज आप गूगल से लिखेंगे तो आपका नॉलेज कैसे बढ़ेगा? You should read something about books. You have to read more than books. कितने किताबें आप पढ़ते हो? What you aware about the social reformer? At least one paragraph, one page book of your EVS notebook is quite enough. And the important thing is that you have to draw the personality. Either you have to collect the photographs of that person. आपको नरेंद्र मोदी is not a social reformer, he is a politician. मुझे नरेंद्र मोदी, मैंने पहले ही बोल दिया, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री पॉलिटिशियन है। वो कौन थे? एक्स प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे। मैंने सोशल रिफॉर्मर बोला है। सोशल रिफॉर्मर में बी ए पॉलिटिशियन आल्सो, ये भी मैं बता रहा। उन्होंने समाज की सेवा के लिए, आम आदमी के लिए बहुत। अब आम आदमी पार्टी के बारे में मत लिखना, फिर मैंने आम आदमी बोला तो ये एक बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, आप एक वर्ड को लेके पकड़ते हो। तो सामान्य व्यक्ति के बारे में उन्होंने सोचा, समझा, उनकी मदद की। ऐसे लोगों के बारे में आपको लिखना है। क्या पता आप आने वाले दिनों में एक अच्छा सोशल रिफॉर्मर भी बन सकते हैं। जब तक आप ऐसे लोगों के बारे में जानकारी इकट्ठा नहीं करते तो आप अच्छे सोशल रिफॉर्मर कैसे बन सकते हैं, जब आपको कोई सोशल रिफॉर्मर के नाम ही नहीं पता है। सो आई डोंट वांट टू, कैन वी राइट अबाउट द सिक्योरिटी? यू जस्ट सी उत्कर्ष बायस्कर क्या कह रहा है। सिक्योरिटी इज वन टाइप ऑफ ए प्रोफेशन, वन टाइप ऑफ ए वर्क, इज नॉट ए सोशल वर्क। He is getting money for that what he is doing. Yes, Rabindranath Tagore is also a social reformer. Arnav Kandyal, you are right. I don't want to waste much more time. I am presenting and reading in front of you. इतना टाइम आप बर्बाद कर रहे थे, मुझे इतनी उम्मीद नहीं थी आपसे। All kinds of labor must be considered respectfully. This we already discussed in earlier period. No work should be considered dirty or low. Any work we should not consider whether it is a dirty or low cost. Many people help us to keep our neighborhood green and clean. None of us can do all work by ourselves. We are totally dependent upon someone else. Different people do different kinds of work. Mahatma Gandhi regarded all the work equally and important. This is the story in your textbook. And the same link from Diksha app I'm going to share you. First, we will read the importance points. What is the dignity of labor? These are the concrete and latest picture. So by the picture, surely you will understand the meaning of dignity of a labor. You see, in first picture, Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister, he is brooming the street. And in second picture, a person who had only one leg, still he is doing some hard work. The respect given to all kinds of labor is known as the dignity of the labor. What is the division of labor? You see, someone is cleaning the drainage, someone is cooking in the hotel, someone is carrying the mud, someone is carrying our cylinder, someone is in the drainage line, and someone is washing the clothes on the river. You see, someone is ironing, someone is selling, someone is teaching on the computer, someone is doing that is the doctor's profession, professor, scientist, and the cobbler. All professions I have mentioned here with the photographs. Different people do different kinds of work. This is called the division of labor. What is the division of labor? The different people do different kinds of work. How should you treat the people who help you? If someone is helping you, what is your role? We should treat the people as our equal. They are our helpers. We must say them thank you. What is work? What is the meaning of a work? Work is a job that a person does mostly in order to earn money. We are doing a job. Why we are doing job? When we do the job, we get the money. We should not be ashamed to any work. We should not be ashamed on any work. हमें किसी भी काम करने के लिए शर्म नहीं आनी चाहिए. Ashamed. We have to write about work is worship. काम ही पूजा है, and no work is high or low. So we should not be ashamed to do any work. We should not blame others, or we should not feel the ashamed ourselves. Who were untouchable? The word is used in this chapter. What is the untouchable? In our society, who do menial work. This word also I mentioned in the last period. Menial, the low line cost work, जो बेकार का काम हमारे नजर में होता है. In our society, who do menial work have been regarded as lowly and were placed the lowest level of the social ladder. They were called as untouchables. Gandhiji named untouchables as Harijans. Harijans means people of God. What Gandhiji's philosophy about the Harijans? That is, they are the real workers. They are doing all types of the work. Even though people are called them untouchables, we should not touch them because they are doing the menial work. They are carrying the toilet, they are cleaning the drainage, they are cleaning the house and the road. That's why people are saying them untouchable. But we should not treat these. Does untouchability still exist in India? No. Our constitution has given power to us. We should not call anybody untouchables. No, the untouchability has been abolished in our country and it is now punishable offense. What is meant by punishable offense? If someone is treating you, someone is abusing you, someone is doing mazak, कोई किसी का मजाक कर रहा है, you can go to the police and you can complain about. So that's why that fellow will get punishment from the police, from the court. That's why untouchability is not existed in India, but still some are speaking about it. But we should not speak, we should not treat it. Does what are called the essential services? Essentials, too much essential, like doctor is the essential service, police is the essential. The services that we depend upon whom or we need every day in a society are called essential service. If the traffic police will not be there, everywhere there will be a jam. If doctors will not be there in the hospitals, we will take care of the patient. If nurse will not be in the hospital, we will take care of the patient. So these are called as essential services. And that's why they were allowed to go anywhere in the country. As you know, you already observed in last pandemic years, last 2 years, they are called as the essential services people. Write 2 lines about the great soul Mahatma Gandhi. Definitely every year we are celebrating Mahatma Gandhi birthday, Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti, and so on. What you know, what you should know. Mahatma Gandhi was an extraordinary talented person. He was undisputed leader of the Indian freedom movement. He was a person who practiced what he preached, what he studied, what he believed. Gandhiji wanted us to honor and respect all the occupations. He was giving respect to all fraternity. He did not feel shy to do any work. He used to spin cotton for his own clothes. You might have seen the charkha. स्वतंत्रता की ओर, कक्षा चौथी, chapter number 7, page number 58. You already studied स्वतंत्रता की ओर. What he was owing the trade for making the cloth. In that time, people are making the cloth by their own hands. He also cleaned toilets because he wanted to change the attitude of the people toward the so-called dirty work. He used to clean his room and toilets himself. He opposed against untouchability and discrimination against people who did menial job. He used to give the message to the society, don't treat the people untouchable. How do we depend on essential services? As on date, we are totally dependent on essential services. We all depend on our another to provide essential services needed in a society. None of us can do all the work by ourselves. Yeah, definitely we are dependent on the cobbler, we are dependent on the tailor, we are dependent on the doctor, police, firefighter. Different people do different work, so we should never look down others' work. They are doing their job honestly. They are doing their job neat and clean on right time. So we have to respect each and every work. After Indians' freedom, under whose leadership was the constitution prepared? That is Dr. Bimrao Baba Saheb Ambedkar. This photograph is common. You might have seen everywhere. You might have read, but very few information you may have. Who was Dr. Bimrao Babasaheb Ambedkar and what he became famous for? Dr. Bimrao Sahib Ambedkar was an eminent leader, social reformer, and scholar and talented person of our country. Dr. Bimrao Sahib Ambedkar was famous for framing the Indian Constitution. On his leadership, he wrote our Indian Constitution. On 26 November 1949, it is given to the first Prime Minister of our India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And our Constitution came into existence from 26 January 1950. And that day we are celebrating as Republic Day. Ganatantra Divas in Hindi.
Excuse me, sir.
Republic Day, Ganatantra Divas. This is about this chapter's important question and answers. Yes, who is speaking? Please,
Sir?
Yes,
Sir, R.L. Raval,
yes.
can we write about Rajendra Prasad?
Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Yes, he was the president.
Yes, he was the president of 1947.
Yes. You can write. But I request that from where you belongs to, better you ask your parents or elders, those who know about the social reformer. That will be the best thing. Okay?
No, sir, I have studied about him.
For Maharashtrian students, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, Savitri Bai Phule, or any more social reformers? Yes, Utkarsh, can you name some social reformers?
Sir, I have write one social reformer.
I request you, Samiksha Patil, please check your camera. Samiksha Patil. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, please tell me about the social reformer as you know.
My social reformer name is Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand was born on 12th January 1863 in Kolkata. Their full names was Narendranath Datta. Their parents' name was Vishwanath Datta and Bhuvaneshwari Devi. Sibling. Swami Vivekanand was a great social reformer because he was very brave. Because of his bravery and intelligence, he became the leader of his group of friends.
Okay. Do you know 12th January is celebrated as a special day? Anyone from the class, if you know, 12th January is celebrated a special day. Can you name Arav, Sanvi, Shaurya, Komal? As your cameras are off, Yes, Gaurav, please answer.
Yes, sir. Sir, Yuva Divas.
Yes, very good. National Youth Day. As you know, the Narendra Nath is a young person who delivered a good speech in America in 1893.
Ma'am, sir, what is the date?
A date I don't remember, but year I remember. It is 1893. He went to Chicago, okay, for the in one meeting he delivered a very good speech about the Indian culture, and he used to start the speech with "My dear brothers and sisters," and his speeches are very famous. If you read about Narendra,
सर स्वामी
yes,
जन जयंती
स्वामी विवेकानंद, हाँ स्वामी विवेकानंद के बारे में ही हम बात कर रहे हैं. वी सेलिब्रेट हिज बर्थडे एज ए नेशनल यूथ डे, दैट इज 12th जनवरी. यस सर. यस, कोमल की तो आवाज नहीं आती है. देन नेक्स्ट चांस गोज टू कार्तिक सत्तुरवार. हैव यू कलेक्टेड एनी इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट सोशल रिफॉर्मर?
No, sir.
This work is given to you on Friday. Then next chance goes to Samiksha. Samiksha, can you name any social reformer?
Sir, Swami Vivekanand and
Swami Vivekanand and
That
okay,
woman wear white dress.
yes, जोर से बोलो समीक्षा.
Sir, in social reformer there was one woman. I don't remember her name.
Okay, no problem. Now this lesson is about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Mahatma Gandhi ji. What you read, what you understand, what you like from this chapter only, what you like about Mahatma Gandhi ji and about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. As I would like to ask Tanav Solanki, Tanav and Tanish, any one of you. Tanav and Tanish.
I learned new information about Mahatma Gandhi.
What he did in his days.
Satyagraha.
Satyagraha. What is mean by Satyagraha? Can you tell the meaning of Satyagraha? We learned this in earlier period also. Satyagraha.
Satyagraha means. Let me think.
Yes. Tanish. Arav Rawal बता रहा था. Yes, Arav Rawal, please tell me what is mean by Satyagraha. Arav. Okay. Yes.
Gandhi ji has done a satyagraha, salt satyagraha.
Okay, salt satyagraha. Okay, satyagraha means he was behind the truth. He always insists the truth. आंदोलन, आदिति ने कहा आंदोलन. सत्याग्रह, सत्य का आग्रह करना. आपने हिंदी में सीखा होगा ये, सत्य का आग्रह करना. जो सत्य है इसके ऊपर ही बात करना. यस कार्तिक सत्तुरवार, यू वांट टू से समथिंग? यस कार्तिक, हाँ बोलो.
Yes, sir. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar has studied all the rules and made the rules for India.
Okay, and for that rules, the name is there, particular name is there, that is called as
Yes, sir.
Constitution.
Constitution.
Indian Constitution. Yes, very
Sir,
good.
did you know that the constitution was made on 26th November
Yes.
1949, but
Yes.
it was established on 19th January 1950.
26th January.
Yes, 26th January 1950.
Yes. Same I already told you earlier also. Our constitutions require more than 3 years. Near about 1000 days required to prepare the rules and regulations. And Dr. Ambedkar was the leader for that. and he studied, he examined so many rules and regulation of different countries, and after that he drafted a good constitution that we are already following.
Sir, when
Yes.
B.R. Ambedkar was making the constitution, in that time, Rajendra Prasad, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president.
President. He was the first president of our country. Yes,
Yes.
Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of our country. That's good. So, if you read about Dr. Ambedkar, Swami Vivekananda, then the Gitanjali writer Rabindranath Tagore, then Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, Savitri Bai Phule. That's so you know, in Pune city, near our school only one university is there named on the social reformer Savitri Bai Phule. May I know from your side, do you know any information about Savitri Bai Phule? Yes. सावित्री बाई फुले के बारे में मैंने पहले भी पीरियड में कहा था कि पुणे इज क्वाइट फेमस फॉर द सोशल रिफॉर्मर. यस.
Little.
हाँ, यस शौर्य बताइए.
Savitri Bai was the wife of Jyotiba Phule,
वेरी गुड.
and Savitri Bai was. Sir, can I tell in Hindi?
हाँ बोलिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
सावित्री बाई ज्योतिबा फुले की वाइफ थी और ज्योतिबा फुले ने गर्ल्स की शुरू की स्कूल, और वो उन्होंने कहा था सावित्री बाई को कि वो टीचर बनेगी स्कूल की, मतलब वो सिखाएगी उन्हें, उन गर्ल्स स्टूडेंट्स को.
ओके, दिस लास्ट वीक वेरी गुड. क्या नाम है आपका? शौर्य. शौर्य, वेरी गुड इंफॉर्मेशन. लेट मी टेल यू, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule is a great social reformer. First, he taught his wife. His wife was illiterate. Even she don't know how to read and write. First of all, he taught his wife, and later on, his wife, that is Savitri Bai Phule, started teaching to the girls. And that's why Pune is famous. The first school is started in our India. The first school is started in Pune, and the first woman teacher is Savitri Bai Phule. That's why our university name is Savitri Bai Phule Pune University. You should know this is a local information. That's why this work is given to you. Yes. Yes, Rahul.
So I have written about Savitri Bai Phule.
First, Kasturi. Yes, Kasturi. First,
So
you tell
can
me.
I tell about Savitri Bai Phule?
Yes, why not? Please tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Savitri Bai Phule was an Indian social reformer, educationalist, and poet from Maharashtra. She is regarded as the first female teacher of India.
Excuse me,
Along
Kasturi.
with her,
Kasturi. Yeah, you are reading very nicely, but can you show me your face?
sir, my camera doesn't open.
Your camera is not working.
Yes.
Okay,
I mean,
those who are
when I
getting chance,
started,
please.
it doesn't work.
Okay, continue reading.
Okay.
First female teacher. Yes, next.
Yes. She is a first Indian teacher along with her husband Jyoti Rao Phule. She played an important and vital role in improving women's rights in India. She is regarded as the mother of India feminism. Thank you.
Okay. Well presented, Kasturi Gaikwad. Yes, anyone? Anyone would you like to present? As I said in earlier period, you will get chance to present about your social reformer. And I requested you should draw the outline of the social reformer and some information, whatever you collected, you have to read in the class. Same Shaurya, Karthik,
Oh, it
and
was my turn, Arav Raval.
Arav Rawal. Today you join with your brother's ID. Yes?
Sir, my sisters.
Okay, sister. I don't know whether brother or sister. Tanish. Okay. Yeah, please tell me.
Sir, the first University of India. Do you know which one is it?
First university, as I know, the oldest university like Calcutta University, Mumbai University, Madras University,
Nalanda.
Nalanda. Yes, yes, you are right. But in British type, these four universities were started. The Nalanda, it's a prehistoric period, means more than 400 years. Yes, you are right. Yes, someone is raised. Yes, Kirtesh, Kirtesh, as you raise your hand, Kirtesh.
Yes, sir. Sir, I can tell of Gunjan, the
हाँ
Kargil girl.
बोलो बोलो जोर से बोलो.
Sir, I can tell in Hindi.
हाँ बोलो जोर से बोलो हिंदी. First you try in English.
I am telling about Gunjan Saxena, the Kargil girl. She is the lady of Air Force. She helped India. His brothers work in army. His father also works in army. He is commissioner of army. His mother said, "Why are you going in Air Force?" He said, "I want to save my earth." Then his dream is, "I go in Air Force." Then he go, but his weights are very high, weight, 70 kilograms weight. And Air Force have only 60 kilograms weight, but he are 1 week for low his weight. Then he runs all time, day and night. Then he उसने सफलता पाई.
Okay. Okay, Kirtesh, now you just told about some extraordinary personality about the Gunjan Sharma. I hope we already discussed in earlier period also. Some extraordinary persons, Gunjan Saxena, how she success in the Air Force. So it's an inspiration to all the girls. Everything is possible. Okay, dear children, so we will stop here. And I request you, please listen. I request you, I request you, please go through the notes which I have attached in the Google Classroom and the work. As I request you, please complete the work which is assigned to you before 5 p.m. And the same will be carried out in the next period also. You have to read about the social reformer. I will ask any child that whether you collect the information about the social reformer and the profession which you like and the profession which you don't like with the reason. With the reason. All will complete this work before 5 p.m. Those who understand the class, they can leave the class without making noise.
Bye, sir.
Those who have any doubt, please wait and raise your hand. Definitely your doubt will be resolved. Thank you.
Bye, sir.